Did you know? Travelers can save up to 60% on the total cost of an international trip by implementing smart budget travel strategies, even when visiting premium destinations. Join me as I try to uncover the best budget travel secrets that will make your next adventure unforgettable without breaking the bank. Budget travel isn't just about cutting costs. It's about experiencing the world in a smarter way. Imagine exploring exotic destinations, immersing yourself in foreign cultures, and making unforgettable memories, all without draining your bank account. That's what budget travel is all about. Many people think that budget travel means sacrificing quality experiences. They believe that to save money, you have to stay in dingy hostels, eat bland street food, and limit yourself to free walking tour. But that's not true. You can have incredible experiences on a budget without compromising on the quality of your adventures. Another misconception is that budget travel is only for backpackers or solo travelers. Families, couples, and even luxury travelers can benefit from budget travel tips. With a little creativity and planning, anyone can explore the world without overspending. Some people also think that budget travel is time-consuming and requires hours of research. While it's true that planning is involved, you can find plenty of resources and tools that make it easy to find affordable flights, accommodations, and activities. You don't have to be a travel expert to plan an amazing budget trip. Many believe that budget travel means missing out on popular attractions, but with the right insider knowledge, you can visit famous landmarks, enjoy local cuisine, and experience the best of a destination without breaking the bank. So, what are some budget travel secrets that can help you explore more without overspending? One secret is to use travel apps like Hopper or Skyscanner to find the cheapest flights. These apps can help you track prices, find airfares, and book flights at the right time. Another secret is to choose off-peak destinations or travel during the shoulder season. Not only will you avoid crowds, but you'll also save money on accommodations, flights, and tourist attractions. For example, visiting Europe in the spring or fall can be just as magical as visiting during the peak summer months. Using travel rewards, credit cards, or accumulating points can also help you save money on flights, hotels, or rental cars. If you're a frequent traveler, this can be a game changer. Just be sure to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Booking accommodations outside of city centers or opting for homestays can also save you a significant amount of money. Not only will you get a more authentic local experience, but you'll also have the chance to interact with locals and learn about their daily lives. Here's a unique budgeting tip that can dramatically change the way you approach travel planning. Consider budgeting buckets. Instead of allocating a daily budget, divide your trip into categories like transportation, food, and activities. This will help you prioritize your spending and make the most of your money. By using these budget travel secrets, you can have amazing experiences without overspending. From finding affordable flights to choosing off-peak destinations, there are plenty of ways to explore the world on a budget. Thanks for joining me on this journey to uncover the best budget travel secrets. If you have your own budget travel tips, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other travel videos for more insights and inspiration for your next adventure.